Good morning, Trip and Tea. Trav here with your next improvement. Standing over here by the folding table. Our last improvement kind of fell apart on us, and so what I've done is I've replaced it with some HDPE kind of like railing that's kind of like screwed in, as you can kind of see there, but it sits as high as it did before. But over here on the other side, if you've used this table before, you would know that when you go to adjust your heating elements, that sometimes this rail right here would pop out. So what I've done on the other side here is I've screwed it in and counterbored here so that it fits right up against the railing and keeps it from popping out. So kind of killed two birds with one stone here, and in a sense to where you can put your material on top, and when it overhangs, it still has a almost flat surface, but it also keeps the table from falling apart. So yeah, it's my improvement. Have a good day.